So today guys, try natin ang Dior Forever Skin Glow Tone Up Cushion. Today guys, mag-unbox po tayo. So binigay ito sa akin ng patient ko. Thank you to my patient, Lynn. Maraming salamat. So, unbox natin to. Untie this. Sharan! This is how it looks like. So ayan siya guys. Para siyang quilted na ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag sa kanya. We'll open this. So, may mirror siyang ganyan. Para siyang may magnetic something here. May mirror. And then, meron siyang cushion ba yung tawag dito? Or puff. And then, when you open it, it's like that. Oh! Meron pa siyang plastic here na cover. So, ganyan siya. Okay? So, we are going to use this. So, I'm not a fan of puffs, as you know. So, gagamit tayo ng brush. This is the brush that we will use. So, I'll just go ahead and do this. Let's see. So, this pala guys is shade 01. Shade 01 po ito. So, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it that way. So, hopefully, hindi siya super puti for us. So, it's very cold to the skin, guys. No? It's very, very hydrating. So, yung coverage niya, hindi siya masyadong madaming coverage, I guess. So, may acne breakout ako ngayon, guys. So, if you're looking for something that has a lot of coverage, hindi po ito yung product. So, ako naman, I like yung mga ganong products guys kasi I don't want na sobrang obvious na may nilagay tayo sa face, no? So I think ito hindi talaga siya for coverage. I think ito for glow up lang siya. So tone up lang siya, no? So if you have some bit of imperfections na nakikita pa din. So ako guys, ganun kasi yung gusto ko, yung parang mga imperfections ko, mga ugat-ugat, nakikita pa din. Ganun. It feels like a cold serum on your skin, guys, no? So, this is without and this is with. So, parang mas naging refined lang siya. But, for example, may blemish kayo. Ayan, may acne eruption ako. Hindi siya masyadong nako-conceal. So, dito tayo sa kabila, guys, no? So, ako kasi hindi talaga ako fan ng mga cushion. Kasi, syempre, as you are using it, exposed siya sa environment, sa air. And alam niyo naman guys, yung oxygen, di ba? It has the capacity to like oxidize yung ating mga cosmetics, ating mga skincare. Kaya yung mga caution, hindi ko talaga siya preference. Mga bottled tints pa rin ang gusto natin. And also yung mga foundations, mas gusto pa rin siya natin na bottled. Preference ko lang po yun guys. Pero kung love din nyo yung cushion, wala pong problema. So yun lang yung worry natin, no? As time passes by, if you continue to use this product, I think may expose siya over time sa air. So habang nangyayari yun, syempre, mas nagiging dry siya, I guess. And mas kumakonte yung laman niya. And I think mas magiging concentrated siya over time. So, yun lang po yung magiging challenge natin sa ganitong product. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo na, no, how it looks like. So, cutesy lang ang coverage natin for now. Pag mga ganitong cosmetics, guys, yung ano talaga is the nose. Kasi yung nose ko talaga, guys, sobrang laki ng mga pores. Buti na lang, meron tayong Mission Skincare, guys. Kung hindi, naku, sobrang laki talaga ng mga pores ko. So, ayan. So, at least parang na-cover siya kahit konti, no? Ayan. Para naman hindi talaga like super obvious yung pores natin. Guys, ang ganda niya sa skin. Ang lamig niya. I love it. I feel like this has additional anti-inflammatory effects kasi malamig siya sa ating balat. In fairness, kahit hindi masyado full, guys, in fairness, kahit hindi masyado full yung coverage niya, lakado yung ating pores, guys, in fair. Tsaka, I like how it looks like. It's very natural looking. Kahit ito nakapalan ko dito, as in, like, it's very, if you are somebody who likes natural looking makeup, or natural looking cosmetics on your skin, I think this is a good product. I really like it. Ayan guys, for our powder, we are going to use our Dior Forever Natural Velvet 2N. Darker shade po tayo sa lateral areas ng ating face. So, ganyan lang po. Very gentle. I'm gonna put like that. Konti lang ilalagay natin. Huwag masyadong marami. Para natural ang atake natin. Natural look atake tayo guys. Ganyan. Okay? So, pag naglalagay ako guys, very gentle lang ako sa balat. So, sa side also, darker shade po ng ating powder. Para kunwari, may contour. Dito. Darker shade. Okay. Lighter shade tayo na powder sa central areas ng ating face para sa contour effect. So, ito po ang Dior Forever Natural Velvet 1N naman po. Okay? So, maglalagay tayo. So, ganyan siya guys. Very gently lang po. Konti lang. Ayan. So, dito tayo ngayon sa mga areas kanina na hindi natin nalagyan ng powder. Lalagyan natin ngayon. O, diba? Simple lang tayo. O, diba? Very, very mindful. Very demure. Okay, dito tayo ngayon. Okay. The sides ng nose, important. Kasi dyan yan, oil talaga minsan. Ayan guys, I think we're ready. I'm gonna show you how this looks like. So ayan guys, this is how it looks like. Yung ating Dior Forever Skin Tone Glow Up. So, maganda niya guys. I really like it. Medyo light lang, napalight lang yata yung ating concealer. Pero, I think generally guys, super nice niya. I'm really impressed. So, I think this is my new favorite na. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!